Hey guys, welcome to TechBase. Today I'm going to show you a short tutorial on how to log in to Roblox. It's pretty simple, so let's get started. First, go ahead and tap on Login. You can now type in your username, email or your phone number. Now go ahead and type in your password. Once you're done, go ahead and tap on Login. And that's it. Now you have successfully logged in on Roblox. Thank you for watching TechBase. I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, then please hit the like button and comment down if you have any questions or feedback. And if you're new to our channel, subscribe and hit the bell icon so you don't miss our upcoming videos.